Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frame generation on any game. Frame generation is a powerful technology that intelligently inserts new, interpolated frames between those rendered by your graphics card. This process can dramatically increase your perceived frame rate, often by 50% or more, leading to a much smoother and more fluid gaming experience. It's a fantastic way to get more performance out of your existing setup, making even demanding titles feel incredibly responsive. To get started, you'll need a relatively modern graphics card. NVIDIA RTX 30 series or newer, or AMD's RX 6000 series or newer, are generally recommended for optimal performance. Your monitor should also support a high refresh rate, ideally 120 Hz or higher, to fully appreciate the added frames. For games without native support, community tools like lossless scaling or specific FSR3 mods can extend frame generation to almost any title. If your game natively supports frame generation, simply navigate to its graphics settings and enable either DLSS frame generation or FSR3. For broader compatibility with tools like lossless scaling, launch your game in windowed or borderless full-screen mode. Then, activate the frame generation feature within the third-party application, often with a quick hotkey like Ctrl plus F1 to instantly boost your frame rate. For the best experience, aim for a base frame rate of at least 60 frames per second before applying frame generation. This ensures the interpolated frames have a solid foundation. Adjust your in-game graphics settings to achieve this balance between visual fidelity and consistent performance. Don't hesitate to experiment with the various frame generation options and quality presets within your chosen tool to find the perfect sweet spot for your system and preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.